Hey Dirtydog fans, it's Mike from Dirtydog4x4. We're here to show you install our new screen, slide-in screen for the JT Gladiator soft top users. Really simple. You take out your rear window and you put in a screen and it gives you that airflow. Finally gets hot and stuff in the back with the soft top. This is great. It slides in just the exact same way. You pull your window out and you put this one in the exact same way. We have the same plastic clips and everything you slide in. And all you do is slide the same way. You pull your old one out. Slide this one in. Use the same materials as factory. Lock your sides in. Tuck it up. We'll go to the other side. Same tabs on the other side. And what we've done also too is we've the piece that you're going to get, it's divided into two pieces, so it actually makes it easier to install the straps at the bottom. If anyone has a tonneau cover knows how tough it is to put this bottom piece in, the clips on the bottom. So we've decided, we've tried 2 and 3, we decided to do 2, split in half, so you can work from both sides and you can put both sides in really easily done. So we're going to put our bottom piece in, and you got the little tabs. And we're just going to finish up on the other side, and that's it. It's complete, really simple, in and out. People ask, does this stop rain? It's actually not bad. A lot of times the rain will just roll down, so you won't, unless you get a hard driving rain, the vehicle will stay dry inside and it'll just drip down past the screen. So great little add-on and easy to put on. All right, have a great day.